Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on this video I'm gonna show you how you can adjust the volume of a video in CapCut. So here I already have a video imported to my CapCut, and this is the current volume of my video. And if you guys want to adjust the volume, what you guys need to do is just click on the video first, and then here swipe the toolbar at the bottom until you find the volume options. So in CapCut you can either lower the volume or you can also make it more loud by swiping the circle here to the right. You can make it louder up to 1,000 times like this, so the volume will become louder like this. But if you want to make the sound lower, you can just swipe it to the left like this, so you can adjust it based on your needs. Okay, when you're done you can just click on the check icon. Okay guys, so that's a simple tutorial for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.